In this quick video, I'm gonna be walking through how to download and install Epic Games on Android phone. Go to your browser and search for Epic Game Download, and here scroll down and you have to open this link, up down, download Epic Games for Android, and then you will directly jump into Epic Game download page. Here scroll down and just tap on download, and here we can see the Epic Game file size is only 11.52 megabyte, and as you can see the Epic Game started to download, and once downloaded just tap on that and tap on install, and it may take some moments to install the Epic Game in. And now, as you can see, my Epic Game successfully installed. Now, from here you can easily open any game, Fortnite, post party etc. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.